Okay, here's the bet panel if anybody wanted to see it. This is the rules and what you're looking for. I guess you can get up to 25 free games, jackpots. And there's 50 lines. Okay. Have fun in today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Hello everyone, we're out here at Red Hawk Casino. We have the new THOR'S Thunder. Can't remember who it's by, but anyways, I'm just doing the 75-cent bet. If it'll let me. We'll just see. Never know. Oh, I think it's HVS. The way that sounds. Boats. Oh wow, the boats paid pretty good. Oh, he doesn't do anything. Oh, there he goes.
Giggles, what the? Yeah, of all things, I didn't expect him to giggle.
Yeah. Giggle? No. Did it once. Oh, there you go. Oh, he giggles like a schoolgirl. Oh, money? Money? He's hitting it. Hit it again. More. Oh. Darn, I was hoping he would add credits. Boats. Where is he? Yeah. This is kind of interesting. In a way, I kind of like it, I like it better than that Devil's Lock. Money, 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 money. Storm, storm, come on. Oh, what's a storm do? Oh, that looked kind of intriguing. Is he gonna land? Hey, he landed. Oh, boats. Land him. Oh, he would have connected the boats, I think. Can we get him? Oh, all that money? Yeah. And then he doesn't even show up. Uh-oh. We're losing everything. Hey, we got a mini. Oh, well, that's kind of cool. We just have to land them. Storm, 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 storm. Come on. Ah. Darn it. Come on. Oh. Yeah, you're not going to give that to me. Yeah. I feel like he could have hit it. 250? 5 games? He's not even showing up. Uh-oh. Alright, now I'm getting bored. Died out on us. Come on. Uh-oh. Storm? Storm and Norman? Storm and Norman? Ah. Mini again? No. Oh no. Come on. Save it. Come on, hey! We got 5 games. Nice. Come on, we need him to be good. Oh, what's he doing? Oh. wanted the storm in Norman. Oh, is he doing it? Come on, come on, come on, come on, storm. You gotta land it, right? No? What? Oh, he's whistling. Okay. Woo! That scared me.
Storm is approaching.
What's this do? But we have to pay for them? Yep. We're in storm mode, but now we have to pay for it. Oh, come on. Boats, boats. Guy. I think that's good. Yeah. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Boats. Oh, okay. He doesn't have to land. Oh, come on. Hammer it again. Something big. Oh. Oh. We lost our storm. Okay, we'll do a backup. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.